Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Insureon for business insurance application step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Insureon website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to select your business type. Choose the option that best describes your business. Next, enter your business information in the provided fields. Include your business name, address, and contact details. After filling in the basic information, click Continue. You will be directed to a question set designed. Answer the questions about your business operations and industry. Be as accurate and detailed as possible to ensure the best insurance options. Once completed, click Next. You may be asked about the number of employees and annual revenue. Provide the required information and click Continue. The next step requires you to create an account. Enter a valid email address and choose a secure password. Confirm your password to proceed. After creating your account, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Insureon website and log in with your credentials. Complete any remaining fields on your business profile. Review all the information you provided to ensure accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click on Submit. You will receive a list of tailored insurance quotes. Review each quote carefully to understand your options. Select the insurance plan that best meets your needs. Finally, complete the application process by following the on-screen prompts. Your registration with Insureon for business insurance is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.